Oh, oh, okay, boy. And here is his ball. Here you can see. Hello guys, welcome back to another video of this channel. So today we have one another product for the review and unboxing. So today we have the intelligent robot Dinosaur. Yes, the intelligent robot Dinosaur, the Miposaur. This robot has a lot of functionalities. Like he understands the hand gestures, you can cover his eyes, he can track his ball, he can sit, he can sleep. Also, Miposaur can be angry also. You can control this robot from mobile application also, which is available for Android and iOS for both. So I have ordered from Amazon, which roughly cost around 150 to $160. So let's unbox this. Then I will show you that how to play with this AI robot. So let's go. So here is our intelligent robot, the Miposaur Dinosaur. So here are some general information. You can see train, tame and game, take all friends, drive with better and free app, and there are some other instructions also. You can see here the installing instruction that how we can use this. So here you can see here is our dinosaur with his trackball, and here are some instructions about this ball, dinosaur, and many other things. So we will read this also. So let's open this, then we will play with this. So let me open. Wow, so here you can see, here's our Miposaur. Looks very good. You can see this mouth. This is very easy to move, and these hands are some. Here they have wheels. Here's his tail. You can see how it is moving. This is very easy to move. The child will enjoy. Here you can see the close-up look. Here is the on-off button. We have to put batteries here. Here you can see his ball. There's also on-off button, and we have to put batteries here. So let's insert the batteries, then check. These batteries are not included in this box, so we have to purchase these good batteries for this robot. So this is ready. So let's insert batteries here. The spring side we have to insert minus. Like this way. Now insert this. These both are ready now. So let's turn on this first. There you can see. And there are many functionalities, like here hand gesture. Here you can see. And the other one is clap. Oh, okay, boy. And here is his ball. Here you can see. So let's use on the surface. So our dinosaur is turned on. So let's try some hand gestures. So let's try this. So here you can see the hand gestures. He's not getting properly hand gesture, but not very bad also. So let's try some clapping gestures. Oh. So let's try clapping for the 3 times. So now let's make him sit and clap 2 times. Okay. Now let's see the hand gestures. So you can see that there are some gestures like that, like we have to move that and counterclockwise, but these are not working properly. So let's try some other tail push or push forward. These are also not working, but gestures are working little bit. So if we do like that, he will pure. Now you can see that he is purring. Now we have ball, so let's turn on. There are 6 features. You can see that music and some other features. Here ball function. So we will try all. So let me turn it on. Now our ball is connected. So our current mode is ball. So let's see. So it's not going for the ball. No, he is not coming for the ball. Let's have some other. So he will follow us. According to this, he will follow us. So let's see, is he coming or not. Come on, come on. Now I have selected teddy bear and teddy bear is favorite. So let's try some other function. Let's select food. Okay. Now I'm selecting another function. So next one is music. So let me select. So shake for the music. Let's shake. It's falling. Okay. So now let's control this intelligence robot from the application which is available on iOS and Android. So I will use Android. So let's use on Android and check how it works. So first we have to install this application. I have already installed. So let's connect first. It is scanning, then connect. Now it is connecting. And here you can see that it is connected. The light is green now. The light is changed. It is green. So it means that it's connected. So let's try some move. Left and right, up and down. This is up and down. Reverse and forward direction. And this is left and right. You can see that it is working smoothly. It is really good. We can easily manage this. We can easily use application and manage this. So let's try some other features. Let's try to give him food. So here you can see I am trying to give him food. So there are some other functions. The battle. For the battle, we need another AI robot, which we don't have, and the other one dance. So let's select some dance and let's see how it works. So, so this is how the dance works. And the other function is the path. We have to draw the path, and our dinosaur will run on the path. So let's try to create a simple path and see that how it works. So let me draw some path. So this is how our dinosaur run on the path. Let's draw some one another, but it is not moving straight way. Maybe they are setting. I can't say anything. So I show you all the features which was available in this robot toy. We have used the hand gestures which was also not working properly. We also used the ball, trace ball. It is also not working properly. I don't know why. And I am also using the good new batteries. So don't tell me that batteries are good or not. So I'm already using new batteries. And the gestures are also not working properly as advertised. So 70 to 80% features are not working properly, which was advertised. That's why I was purchased. But it is not working properly. I really disappointed with this. So if you want to buy this, it is your wish. I will not recommend you to buy this one, but it is waste of money. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.